Pelepas Terminal Inland Services Sendirian Berhad, PTIS, is strategically located at Malaysia's largest and busiest cargo terminal, Port of Tanjung Pelepas, Johor. Since 2001, PTIS had provided container repair services through its on-dock facility and is capable of handling a capacity of 120,000 container boxes annually. By regulating the high safety standards in its operations, PTIS had made an impact in the industry. The main services of PTIS include dry container repair, complex repair capabilities, experienced workforce, all types and sizes of dry equipment, container dispatch, pre-trip inspection and structural repair, washing and cleaning, supporting other ports in the region, state-of-the-art repair technology. In addition, PTIS also provides value-added services which cover reefer hub facility, on-dock operation, facilitating access to containers, lower trucking cost, capacity to handle high volume with fast turnaround time, reefer spare parts distribution, for terminal operations on live reefers, vessel kits delivery, 24/7 operation 365 days a year, customized services, vessel repairs, especially equipment repair and storage, expansion capabilities. The success of our operations is driven by our commitment to provide world-class service to our clients, locally and internationally. We are proud to have an experienced and dedicated staff who are customer relationship oriented. Our people have shown high credibility in solving problems in any situation, anywhere and at any time. With all the support from our people, PTIS has dubbed itself as the safety-oriented organization through its continuous efforts in promoting health and safety measures in the company. Several shipping lines, freight forwarders and shippers or consignees all form part of our growing list of esteemed clientele. With more than a decade of experience in the business, PTIS has overcome obstacles to become the specialist in the field, locally and internationally. PTIS, the preferred partner in container inland services.